Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You will start immediately. Confirm you have an admin account, a verified backup, and your laptop plugged in. Once done, check whether you are within the rollback window. Windows usually allows 10 days after the 24H2 upgrade. Next, open Settings, go to System, then Recovery. Make sure files and apps are closed and any encryption is suspended. Click the option to go back to the previous version or uninstall the latest feature update. Follow prompts to prepare for the rollback operation. If the settings path isn't available, you will boot into recovery by holding Shift while restarting. Once in the menu, choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and select Uninstall Updates. Pick Uninstall Latest Feature Update to remove 24H2. Follow on-screen confirmations and wait. The system will reboot multiple times. If the process stalls or reports missing files, make sure you have a prepared Windows 11 ISO or USB to run an in-place repair or perform a clean install instead. You finish by verifying the system boots to the expected build, then check Device Manager and Windows Update for any driver or security fixes that need applying. If the uninstall wasn't possible, for example, past the 10-day limit, perform an in-place reinstall from ISO or a clean install from a bootable USB, restoring data from your backup afterward. If something goes wrong, immediately boot to safe mode, try System Restore, or revert to the system image. That single troubleshooting step will
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.